Hi, my name is Dr. Heidi Hook, and I am a naturopathic doctor here at Auburn Naturopathic Medicine. So today I want to talk to you about genetics and how our environment and our nutrients affect our genes and our health. So what are we talking about? We're talking about the genetics that you got from your mom and your dad. You're half your mom and you're half your dad, and we can't change those at all. You are who you are. But what's really exciting is that we can change up to 70% of how those genetic variances manifest in your body. So what are we talking about here? What does this mean? It means that the genetic variances are the SNPs, the way those genes are affecting your enzymes. And the enzymes are what regulate your biochemistry. And it makes us different. It makes us who we are. So that if you have a genetic variant that's impacting an enzyme, it can speed the enzyme up or it can slow it down. And so you can imagine on a freeway system or in a town, if you have one light that's 90% red and another light that's 90% green, on a Sunday, if the roads are really healthy, there's not going to be a lot of traffic. But on a Friday afternoon rush hour, there's going to be a lot of traffic and a lot of stress. And so that's what we're really looking at. How well does your biochemistry flow, and where do you have then more inflammation or not able to detoxify? Because I'm really looking at the enzymes that regulate inflammation. Are you making more inflammation? Are you able to break inflammation down? Or are you not able to detoxify? Or are you not able to regulate your neurotransmitters, and so it causes insomnia and anxiety or depression or fatigue. And so what's really exciting is that we're able to, whether we give you the enzyme itself or we give you the end product, what the enzyme was trying to make, or we just support the pathway, or we make sure you have all the nutrients that are needed as cofactors for those pathways to optimize all the pathways in your biochemistry. So lately in the press, there's a lot of buzz about MTHFR, and what is it? It's one enzyme, it's one genetic variant that we're looking at that can then, if you have that genetic variant, it means you have a 30 to 70% decreased ability to convert the folate that you get in your dark leafy green vegetables all the way down to the activated folate that your body can use. And that's one enzyme. So on this pathway planner that we have, the MTHFR is right here. It's one enzyme. And every line on this is a pathway. And every circle is an enzyme. So that's one enzyme. And we're looking at this whole thing. And so it's a much more diverse, intricate, everything is interdependent and interconnected to everything else. And so it's not about just throwing somebody some methylfolate and hoping that they're better, because that has downstream effects that can have disastrous effects if you don't know what you're doing. So we look at the whole picture, replete nutrients, because if you don't have nutrients, it doesn't matter what your genetics are saying. You've got to have nutrients to be able to optimize those pathways in the beginning, and of course optimize health. And so that's the MTHFR, that's genetics, and it's very exciting. So thanks for listening.